pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, the Scalp King, and this is a trade setup that was sent out this morning, GBP USD. And if y'all are not trading with me, what is y'all really doing? These trade setups are 80% win rate. I mean, I could say 85, but I just want to kind of be on the humble side and be 80% win rate. I'm just telling you straight up. I also noticed that there were a lot of news happening for the dollar, and finally, I understand what happened. I understand those interest rates, the inflation. This is the inflation rate news, that high impact news that came out this morning. And it made the dollar index drop and GBP USD went up. All right. And that's what you just saw on my previous chart. I understand it now more than ever. I was not able to catch it because I didn't understand it, why it was happening. Like I said, I've been researching and I've been reading about fundamentals. And so I was able to put two and two together after I saw what happened and I read the news. So now I'll be ready for the future. But let me know, do y'all want a video on the breakthrough that I received this morning? I know a lot of people say they want the fundamentals, but like those videos don't do a lot of views. But if you guys want that type of content, comment below, let me know. All right. So back to the charts. Now, this is the reason why I'm making this video. Let me rewind this market because I'm about to lace you all the way up. Guaranteed. Listen to this. Some people may have missed this buy. All right. Maybe it happened too fast. Maybe it didn't line up with your indicators or the way that your strategy is. You may have missed it. Now, look what the market does. It ends up printing these wicks, and they know how you're going to perceive that. They know that you're going to understand that as the market is exhausted. Oh, the market is overbought. You might look at an RSI or something like that and understand the market is overbought. I should sell now, because they know a handful of people missed the buy. So they're going to start playing with your mind, the psychology. And they're going to throw you these candles because those wicks, they know that you understand them as sellers are coming in. But guess what happens after that? Boom. And they shoot it up higher. And they shoot it up higher. And by this time, you're stopped out. Just to later see it actually come down and hit the take profit that you had. Because see, you trying to sell up here. People that have fear of missing out, they're trying to sell up here. See, they missed the buy, so they trying to get a sell and catch it down. You know, some little scalping trades, trying to catch a pullback or something like that. And it's just not safe to do that. And so that's why I'm making this video, to help you understand when to do that. All right, so let's play it back. So based on, and this is a current market right now. So based on what I have here, what you should do is go to the higher time frame, just so you won't get faked out. Because the lower the time frame you go, the more chances of you getting faked out. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart instead of going to the 30-minute chart. This is the low point that I'm going to use. I'm going to go back to the hour chart because I want to grab the high point of this wick right here. You know, why am I using that wick right there? Because that's where it showed, like, it basically made a pivot right there. You know what I mean? Like, it basically showed that there was some level of support or something like that. It wick right there. So we're going to use that to our advantage. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Fibonacci, and I'm going to start at the high point where I circled at the wick, and I'm going to drag it backwards. All right. Now, do you see that 786, that red line? That red line is where basically you're going to get your entry from. You cannot take a buy because price is too high. Bars. You cannot take a sell because it hasn't broke the 786 yet. Now, I just showed y'all how I got to this point, but price has to break. And I'm talking about it has to close bearish underneath the 786. And if it closes right here where the end of this white line is, if it closes right there, you could pretty much go ahead and take it out right on the next candle. All right. But if it happens to close way down here, you know how sometimes they come back violently, then you have to wait for a retest, and you might not get the retest. That's the thing, but you have to wait for it to take a sell then. That's the proper way of doing this, because if not, you're going to think that the market is done going up, is exhausted, is overbought, and then boom, here's another green candle shoot up for another 30, 40 pips. And now you're talking about, oh, this is a scam and this and that. And, oh, I just can't get right. I just don't know what's going on. It's because the market is playing on the fact that they know you all have a fear of missing out. And you have to be on it. You have to be 2 steps ahead of that. So you have to know these areas, these safer areas to get in. And these structured levels. That's what I'm saying. You guys need to be in my classes on Sunday, because I'm teaching this over and over and over, many different ways, showing you all the different ways possible you can see this. This is where I will wait for a sell entry when price break that level. Now, here's the other thing. Price does not have to break this level. Okay, you can get a totally different situation to where price just consolidates up in here for the next 5 hours. Well, that's going to create a whole new trade setup. And it may just accumulate, right? It may accumulate in this area just to go up higher. So I'll be ready for that. Or it may accumulate and then drop. I'll be ready for that. You see what I'm saying? That's how you want to play this game. All right, because this is a dirty game, and it'll take your money and won't care nothing about you. You have to do your due diligence. You have to be taught right. You have to study this the right way and constantly. When the market breaks, if it breaks, I can't say when, I say if it breaks, you're looking to take this sell pretty much to this golden zone area. So that's your area, because this is a buyer's market. And right about when it reached that golden zone is about when it probably wants to go back up for a buy. So I'm trying to teach you, you can catch it both ways. You just have to know those areas. All right. Hey, team, if I laced you up and helped you save some money because I kept you from having fear of missing out, then like this video. Please share this video with a few friends on social media. Get the word out, your boy Jay Wayne dropping gems. All right. Hey, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.